Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Audi rings. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a clean cloth, and your brand new Audi rings. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the area around the rings is thoroughly clean. Understanding the specific attachment method, whether clips or adhesive, is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement process. Now, let's carefully remove the old rings. If they are clipped, use your trim tool to gently release the clips. For adhesive rings, slowly pry them away, applying steady, even pressure. Always use a plastic tool to avoid scratching your car's paintwork. Once removed, clean the area with an alcohol wipe to ensure no residue remains, preparing it for the new emblem. With the surface clean and ready, it's time to install your new Audi rings. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the adhesive. Take your time to align the rings perfectly before making contact with the surface. Once aligned, press firmly and evenly across the entire emblem for about 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds securely. Double-check for a snug, level fit. To complete the process, perform a final inspection. Ensure your new Audi rings are perfectly level, securely attached, and that there are no gaps. For optimal adhesion, avoid washing your vehicle, especially the newly installed rings, for at least 24 hours. This allows the adhesive to fully cure and create a strong, lasting bond. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.